If you're experiencing login errors on Wise, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Update the app. If you are using the Wise mobile app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Wise customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error message you are receiving for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Wise. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.